Ria money transfer tutorial, how to use Ria to send and receive money. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we use this platform to send international money transfer to over 165 countries all over the world. Now in card, so let's get started. Here we are on riamoneytransfer.com. Of course, if we'll scroll down for a little, we can see that they provide us the opportunity to interact with their Google Play app, and also they have the app for App Store, so you can easily download it. But in order to show you the process, it will be better to start with a web version. And what is really cool, as they provide us the opportunity to use our first transfer without any fees. As you can see, we don't have like a $3 fees, for example. So let's get started. On the first page, we have our calculator where we can easily set up our transfer, and we can see how much, like what's our exchange rates, how much will we pay for fees. So basically we can change our like sending amount, and also we can try to click on the currency, but as you can see, we only have the option to send from US dollars. Also, we can change the currency where we'd like to like send. So send to country, for example, Algeria, Andorra, and so on. Let's say we want to send to, for example, to Sweden. Basically, do we have Sweden among all the countries? And as you can see, yes. So here we can find the exchange rate, like $1 for almost 11 Sweden crowns. And also we can set up our payment and receiving method. So here we can choose from a bank, credit card, debit card, or cash. So we can even pay by cash. And also we can find like receiving methods, cash or bank transfer. So we can see that depending on the country we want to send from and to, basically to, if we're going to send to Sweden, we'll have to pay $5 from 1,000 we are going to send. But for the first transaction, it's like without any fees. So all we need to do now is just click on get started, and after that we'll come to the next page where we need to log in or register if we don't have an account. So nothing hard, we just simply need to provide them with our email or phone and also our password. After that it's like it will be easy to find all the options to send money. Of course, I recommend you to compare different platforms before sending, and to make it easier, we can do it on the Wise website. So here we are on wise.com. This is another platform, and we can easily scroll down for a little to find this calculator where we can find also we can change like from US dollars to Sweden, for example. I'm going to show you like one trick. So we can click on compare price, and we'll be able to find a lot of different platforms. So for example, on Wise, we're going to receive almost 11,000. And here, if we're going to send, for example, to Sweden once more, we are going to receive this amount, and instead of this amount, like this. As you can see, Wise is more suitable here in this case, but sometimes if you're going to send to another country, it will be better to compare it before sending. So if you have like a Ria account and also Wise account, of course sometimes depends on fees and where would you like to send. It will be better, it will be cheaper to use some other platforms maybe. So with the Ria, we can send up to 165 countries. As you can see, we can calculate fees. We have a lot of payment methods, receiving methods, and so on. So if we're going to speak about security and how fast money transfers are on Ria money transfer, we can see that it's really safe and it's also like guaranteed. So enjoy our no hassle 100% satisfaction guarantee, and it's really fast. We can send money in seconds to your loved ones across the world. And if we scroll down for a little, we have the option that we can use a website to send transfers. We can use app to send transfers. Also, we can track money transfers. there. And also we can send in person, so we can pay in cash at a store located conveniently near you. So with the help of mobile app, we can find all the RIA stores where we can pay from our cash. Basically, we don't even have to use app. Also, we can find a lot of options like where can we send money to. And what is interesting is that if we are going to compare it on Trustpilot with our platforms, we have like 13,000 review and we have like 4.4 average mark. If we're going to compare it, for example, with Western Union, Payoneer, Remitly, MoneyGram, we have that RIA is like pretty cool. All the reviews are pretty high, and 5-star is like 74%, 4-star is like 8%. So it's like pretty cool. And what is interesting is that it has a lot of reviews, so it's really like safe to use RIA. Like RIA, it stays on the market for a long time, and it's pretty like interesting. Also, from the website, we can track our location here in the top of the screen. We can click on it, and all we need to do is to like enter PIN or order number, and after that we'll be able to track this thing. We can also find the locations where we can find RIA stores. So as you can see, we have a lot in New York and so on. We can like zoom out to see all the among all the area, and sometimes it may take time to upload, but it will really like huge amount of different stores. And also RIA provides us the opportunity to interact with our help center here. We can find all the questions about sending money, tracking your transfer, ways to pay, like a RIA account options, how to create, how to edit, how to close, how to change something, how to cancel money transfer on RIA, for example. So as you can see, nothing really hard, and you can easily try to search for it, for example, on YouTube, or you can use this help center here. Also, we can contact RIA to like compare all the things. And what is really interesting is that in conclusion, we can say that RIA is a pretty balanced platform to send money abroad, to send it to a lot of different countries. But honestly, I recommend you to compare your spendings. For example, if you want to send $1,000, you can easily visit Wise, RIA, Remitly, other platforms who provides us the opportunity to send money, and after that you can decide what platform would you like to choose by yourself. And I think it's pretty cool. So hope this video helped you out. So yep, leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.